garnish it up with some green onions. So let's get started. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Here's a quick tip for you. Now later on for garnish we're going to use these green onions, and I have this new fancy scissor. It looks like it cuts up about 6 at one shot, so I thought I would go ahead and give this a try and see what it looks like. I've already trimmed them and rinsed them to be able to use them as garnish. It's a little hard to cut if you have a lot. I think it's made to do one at a time. Definitely does one at a time real easy. That's kind of neat. It cuts them up in nice small little pieces for you. I had my big scissors on standby. I cut up everything with the big scissors. And everything just pulls out of here. I'll go back to finishing this with the bigger scissors because you need them for the bottom. I already cut the root off and washed it. Okay. And I have a glass bowl and a scraper. Just like that. That's today's quick tip. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe in the lower right hand corner, and if you'd like to be notified about future shows, click the bell that's right up on the top. And also more information is at my website, jamestdds.blogspot.com.